So to create the perfect cover letter and or resume for any job you're applying to, all you have to do with ChatGPT is simply input this prompt. So I am looking for a job in tech and I am currently applying to Microsoft for a programming position. Can you please help me create a perfect cover letter and resume by asking me a series of questions to construct it? Now obviously you would put in your job search in questions, so in this case maybe not tech and probably not Microsoft, or maybe not for a programming position, but you can edit it to your liking and simply click enter. Then ChatGPT is going to start asking you a series of questions while updating its memory of what you are doing. So you'll give it your full name, all of these options, your role targeting, what you're trying to get, how do you know the job description or have a job posting link, and basically give it all this information. And then once completed, it'll actually create a cover letter and the perfect resume so that you can apply for jobs that you are looking for. So just as an example, I answered every single question that it gave me, and you could just separate it by putting a period and then clicking enter. Obviously this is not my actual information, it is just for the explanation. And as you can see here, we have a resume done for John Doe, and it gives us the whole thing. And we basically can see all the details of what we've answered and the cover letter for Microsoft, and we can ask it for PDFs now. So can you create a PDF for both? And then we'll have a PDF for each of those that we can upload it and utilize it in our job application, and the cover letter that's also going to be included. The resume you can also include for other job applications in the future as well. And just at that, we have both PDFs. You can go ahead and download them if you like. Just for an example, we'll open up one of them just so you can take a look. Open it up, and there you go. We have the exact concept of what we were building. And you can easily take this and put it into, Microsoft Word or Canva or anything like that, and you can design it how you like if you don't like it that simple. Or you can even tell ChatGPT to edit it a little further if you didn't like the style of it. But that's about it. That's how you create a resume and a cover letter using ChatGPT. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.